Hi, we are team number 4 and we explain what is a mangrove. These are florid forests that are found the confluence of fresh and brackish waters, and these are crossed by navigable channels called estuaries. Uh, these are some examples of mangroves and beautiful images. These ecosystems are extremely rich in biodiversity, arising from the close contact between the terrestrial and marine environments. They possess complex aerial roots that support them in subsoils and serve as refuge for a wide range of species. Climate characteristics. Rainfall is low, ranging between 100 and 150 for a year, with a peak of 3,500 for a year. The average temperature range between the 20 and 28 degrees.
And I will talk to you about the abiotic factors that define and challenge mangrove ecosystems. These factors, which are not living conditions of the environment, allow only the most resilient species to thrive. The four most important, in the first is the soil. The soil in mangroves area is shalky, water saturated, and slight acid. In the next is the light and temperature. The most important are with the mangroves are exposed to very strong light intensities. The salinity in the mangrove areas is influenced by both freshwater inflows and saltwater from the ocean. The two oceans are mixed. And then finally is physical exposure. That are the mangrove ecosystem are exposed to strong winds, waves, and tidal surges, which influence soil structure and growth adaptation. It's exposed in very different conditions. And that's it.
Okay, I am going to talk about beauty factors. Mangrove ecosystem have many animals and plants. Some animals only live in mangrove. They can live in salty water and move with the tides. Some examples for that are crustaceans, fishes, these, birds, reptiles. Well, crabs are an example, and they live in the mud and help keep the place clean. Okay, beauty factors in flora. A mangrove tree grows in wet and salty place. Are three main types. It's white, it's black, and red mangrove. They roots help life in water and with little air. They also protect the coast and gives home to many animals. I don't know if you... Thank you.
Now we have the mangrove food chain. In the first step, we have the solar energy that are the food of the plants. Now we have the essential food that are the organic food for the tree growers, composed of leaves and animal remains and waste. Now we have the primary consumers. That an example of these are the crabs that eats the crucial detritus and accelerated the decomposition. In the middle, we have the decomposers that destroy the organic nutrients by the chemical process. And now we have the secondary consumers that are the fishes that eat prey on invertebrate interactives such as crabs or larvae that serving as an energy transfer link for larger predators. Okay, in the middle of this we have the scampinders that they consume dead or dying fish, and this helping of the prevent of the diseases in the ecosystem. Okay, now we have the tertiary consumers that are the herring. In this, they prevent the mounting of species and maintain the balance in the ecosystem.
Now I talk about living things in mangroves. In animals, we have crocodiles, herons, brown pelicans, crabs, oysters, shrimps, manatees, and green iguana. In plants and trees, we have bacau crab, black mangrove, rhizophora white mangrove, red mangrove, burnwood mangrove, and Limonacea litoria. In fungi, we have Aspergillus and Penicillium. In bacteria, we have Clostridium beijerinki, Astobacter coccum A, nitrifying bacteria, and sulfite-reducing bacteria.
To solve the complex ecological challenges, we must commit to four core principles: strategy, creativity, collaboration, and persistence. The strategy: we must prioritize the protection of the entire habitat. It supports the whole food chain. The creativity: we need to develop new technologies or economic incentives to turn residents into guardians. Collaboration: we must achieve genuine cooperation of consumers at local level. And persistence: ecosystem recovery takes time. We must maintain effects, monitoring, and resources for the long haul. When a top predator, like a heron in a mangrove, goes extinct, it triggers a trophic cascade. This stabilizes the entire food chain. The loss of that predator allows juvenile fish and crustaceans to grow uncontrollably, which the massively primary consumers like crabs and snails, and causing their population to collapse. This leads of inefficient nutrient recycling and ultimately the decay of the ecosystem's base, the plants losing one main breaks and whole change. Challenge in solving ecological problems. By understanding the trophic cascade and applying these four principles, we can achieve a truly sustainable recovery. Thank you for your attention.